Updating your payment method on Netlify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your billing information is current. Step 1. Log into your Netlify account. Visit the Netlify website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the payment method you want to update. Step 2. Navigate to billing settings. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Access payment methods. In the billing settings, look for the section labeled Payment Methods. Click on it to view your current payment options and any existing payment methods linked to your account. Step 4. Update payment information. To change your payment method, click on the option to edit or add a new payment method. Enter the updated credit card or payment details as required, ensuring all information is accurate. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new payment information, make sure to save your changes. Look for a confirmation message indicating that your payment method has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your payment information up to date on Netlify. Regularly check your billing settings to ensure everything remains current.